Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Nishal Shrestha, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Gantt chart. So what happened today was I got an email from my senior. He is preparing a research proposal for his upcoming research, and he needs to submit his work plan to the institutional review committee, and he wants to represent his work plan in a Gantt chart. Okay, so what actually is Gantt chart? It's nothing but a horizontal bar chart used in project management to visually represent a project over time. So it's basically a project schedule. You show your work plan and you show the time when you are going to do that. Okay, so this is a Gantt chart. Now to create the Gantt chart, you need to have your task, your work plan. I asked him to send me his work plan, and this is his work plan. These all are tentative dates, approx duration, not an exact. So he is planning to review a literature. So he is planning to review literature on the topic he is going to do a research on. So he will start reviewing the topics from December 1st 2024, and it might take 14 days to him, and then he will apply for he will submit his research proposal and try to get the approval within the 15 days duration, and then he will start recruiting patient, and then he will start collecting data. So these are his work plans. Okay, everyone has their own work plan. So now let's create a Gantt chart. So click in the insert icon. Now try to find the horizontal bar. So actually this is MS Excel 2016. Okay, I'm showing you in 2016 MS Excel. So here we have a horizontal bar. There are 2D bars, 3D bars. You can select either one. Let's select 3D bar. Now you have to add the data. So right click over here in the blank space and go into this select data option. Our dialog box will appear. Now you have to add the series over here. Series means your data series, your duration series. Okay, now click in the add option, and in the series name you have to click the heading of the series start date, and it will automatically be added. Now in the value section you just delete this system default number and choose your own dates. You have to just choose, it will the dates are automatically added. Okay, and click OK. Now you have to add the duration as well, so click add, and now click over here duration, it will automatically be added. And now select the durations, all will automatically be added. Okay, now click OK. Now it will look like this one. Okay, now you have to add this your task in the vertical axis. So for that you need to change the axis. Now again click here in the blank space. Now go over here in the select data section. Now click here this axis section, edit. Now choose all these tasks. Okay, all these will automatically be added. Now click OK. Now this is your all your data have appeared. Your literature review is shown below. You can reverse this axis, your task plan. Okay, you can put your initial task at the top. Okay, so you need to just click over here in this axis, these tasks, and now click right, and okay, again click here in this section, and now click right. Now you will find this format axis. Now click, and now here is in the axis section you will find categories in the reverse order. Just click here, and then you will find your tasks in descending, in this way: initial task at the topmost and the last tasks down below. And the thing is, your tasks is starting from December 1st, but the you can see here the blue line is starting from March 15, and the actual date is the beginning of this red bar. Okay, so you need to remove this gap, blue section. Okay, now click here in this blue section. Okay, and now right click and now go into the format data series. You will see this fill option. Click here, now select no fill, and the blue bar will disappear. Still there is gap which is of no use. Okay, so you have to delete this gaps. Now what you can do is you can select these dates, but before that you need to change the dates into numerical form. Actually the computer perceives the dates into a numerical form. Let's see how. Right click over here and go into the format axis. You can see the minimum date is shown in a numerical form. So you have to find out what is the numerical form of December 1st. Just copy and then paste here. Now select, now change this format date into number. It will appear like this. So December 1st is perceived as 45627 by this computer. Now again click in the dates and now right click and now go into the format axis. Now you replace this with your date 45627. okay, now the gap will disappear. Your starting date is from December 1st. okay, so in this way you can create a Gantt chart. You can see here literature review is starting from December 1st and ethical approval from 15th. So starting date is from 15 and the duration is 14 days. okay, you can change the color. You can right click and then you can change the color. You can add the axis titles. You can go here and you can add the axis titles. You can add here Gantt chart. Okay, so this way you can edit your Gantt chart. So this is all about today's video. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Thank you everyone.